Components of an outbound message flow. Here you can see the component of an outbound message flow. An outbound message flow receives the application messages from the backend, transform the message to the format your partner supports, and then forward the message to a partner. The following diagram shows the component of an outbound message flow. One, here the receiving endpoint where the host receives the transmission from the backend, FTP, HTTP, HTTPS, SFTP. Source message type, message type of the message received from the backend, CSV, JSON, XML. And 3, transform data view map used to transform JSON or XML format or to EDA fact or X12 map. You must have Java output, application or Java to transform JSON to JSON or XML formats to EDA fact. Target target message type to which to transform the input message, CSV, EDA fact, JSON, X12 and XML. Target endpoint, partner endpoint to which to send the transform message, AS2, STP, HTTP, HTTPS and SFTP. Here the endpoint application is continued to receive via configured source endpoint, receive via configured source endpoint, validate schema, transform, validate and send to configured endpoint in runtime. Source at host endpoint, source at host message type, data view map, send to partners message type and send to partners endpoint are in outbound message flow configuration. Receive via configured source endpoint is connected to source at host endpoint, FTP, HTTP, HTTPS, SFTP, and receive via configured source endpoint is connected to validate schema. It interacts with source at host message type, identifiers and schema, CSV, JSON, XML. Validate schema is connected to transform. It's interact with data view map. Transform is connected to validate. Validate interacts with send to partners message type, identifier, schema, validation rules, CSV, EDA fact, JSON, X12, XML. Validate is connected to send to configured partner endpoint and it interacts with the send to partners endpoint. AS2, FTP, HTTP, HTTPS, SFTP. Send to configured partner endpoint is connected to partners. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.